Before I ask you the questions, I need to take a oath from you girls. Like, you need to put your hands like this.
Okay.
Repeat it after me, okay? I swear
I swear.
on my face that will be very truthful
I will be very truthful.
while answering the questions.
While answering the questions,
So if I lie in an answer,
I lie the answer.
I'll be getting a pimple tomorrow morning.
I'll be getting a pimple tomorrow in the morning. I'll be getting a pimple tomorrow in the face.
You didn't say it.
I said it.
You guys are not saying it.
I said it.
Okay, be truthful while answering. And for you, one more. Like, I swear. It's okay, man. Do it. I swear
I swear
I'll be truthful
I will be truthful
while answering the questions.
while answering the question.
If not,
If not,
my beard doesn't grow.
my beard doesn't grow. First of all, it's not going, bro.
So here goes the first question. My first question to you is, what is your age?
18.
Did you ever watch porn? Did you ever watch porn? Did you watch porn anytime?
What do you think? Yeah.
How many times? Regular?
No.
Like weekly?
Once in a blue moon.
Liar. Liar. No. What is your age?
24.
Come on, man. Last 24 years you didn't watch a porn. At least by mistake.
No.
Okay, what about you?
Yeah, I've watched.
Yes.
Regular. I know you're regular.
Not
Hey,
regular.
come on, man.
Regular.
In a week?
No.
In a week?
In a month.
In a month? How many times?
Once only.
In a month, 31 times. I never watched.
You never watched?
No.
Really? You'll be getting a pimple
You might as
tomorrow.
well believe no, I really didn't watch. What's the question?
You know what porn is? POR and porn.
Really no.
Let me go in depth. Sex videos.
She no.
Do you watch porn?
No.
Liar.
No.
Liar.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Like you're 20 years old. From the past 20 years, you didn't ever see. What about you?
No.
You'll be getting a pimple tomorrow. Even you will be getting a pimple
No
tomorrow.
problem, but we are not lying.
You're not lying. Really?
Yeah. We are sure. Yeah, fine.
What about you?
No.
Come on, man. You're in the age of 18 now and be interested in all those stuff.
Not yet 18.
Not at 18.
17.
17. Come on.
Come on,
it
God,
doesn't
no.
make any difference. What about you? No. Well, you guys are not revealing the truth. All four of you will get a pimple tomorrow morning. So it's okay. What do you do? Like if tomorrow your gender changes into a man for 24 hours, what do you do?
Go ahead and shave off all my hairs.
All the hairs in the sense.
All the hairs in the sense, everything.
Wow. What is your answer?
I
That was more
always wanted
creative.
to be a man because of the period cramps and all that. I always prefer being a man. So
Truthful.
I go to boys hostel, enjoy, have all the fun, whatever they have.
What do you think they have?
I don't know.
The fun.
That's what I want to see what they do inside.
You stay in a hostel.
No. No.
Then why only hostel?
Because there you have all your friends and all. How can you like inside the house, parents and all.
So
And I would check out,
what check out?
you know, the body.
obviously, I would enjoy because again, I'm
I
not
would
going to
enjoy
get the
like hell.
gender back again. So it was only for
What
one.
do you enjoy? I know you would enjoy like
By
what
rule.
type?
See, if it is, now I'm a girl, so obviously if my gender gets changed, so it's gonna be male. And male can roam around here and there, whatever timing they can go. No man cares, no one cares at home.
And
so,
you wanna take off your shirts and
Yep, because it is
then, you know, we are gonna dance like hell.
Gender gets changed only for one day, so obviously we would enjoy whatever possible to us.
You
so.
wanted that wish to be only for 24 hours or a complete lifetime.
No, 24 hours because I'm happy with this life. So
Yeah.
You're happy with your life.
Yeah.
Tonight you're sleeping as a woman. Tomorrow, next morning itself, you turn into a man.
Obviously,
So,
that's disgusting,
do you think,
man.
do you think that you're gonna go roam in the roads and all the next day? No, right? You'll be staying in the room itself. What do you do at that time for that next 24 hours?
Okay, whatever possible from me. So I would enjoy with my friends telling that, hey, I'm so and so.
You
so
tell
that's
your
what-
friends?
Obviously.
Yes.
I have only my friends, so.
Yeah.
What's saying that? Yeah, we tell.
For the whole, like, you would have met across thousands of friends in your
Yeah.
lifetime. You would tell to everyone, thousands of people.
Yeah, because that would be interesting.
Like you would post
again.
on the Facebook that I have turned into a male.
But you know what? Okay, again, the gender gets changed after the next 24 hours. And that would be interesting. The news keeps going on. And
Yeah, we
the
would
name
get
Oh,
be-
published very soon.
You are 18 now. In the past 18 years, did you ever go through a nude sleep alone in a room? Nude sleep alone in your room?
Yeah.
How many times? Nearly more than 10, 20?
More than that. Yes.
Like probably 10 plus times
No,
in your lifetime?
no,
5 plus?
no.
Less than 5?
Dude, I'm not that jobless at home, man.
Okay, less than 5.
Yeah.
Anything.
No.
No? Really?
No.
You're 22? No?
I also no.
Liar.
No.
Liar, liar, your pants on fire.
Where did you see me? All the time. Shut up.
She's your sister.
She doesn't see. Hello, we shared some different rooms. Next room, then also. I saw you a couple of times, baby. I never. Acha,
Oh.
like fine, laundry or but nothing else. Yeah, laundry is always there. that room we can't
Like you have been into this college days and all, no? Like,
Yeah.
why do girls carry another girl while going for a restroom?
so that they can get a company and after some time they can take selfies or something like that.
Selfies in restroom. Really?
Have you seen any selfies in the restrooms? I think girls are the most,
That to
they-
college restrooms.
Yeah, I know. I have done that n number of times.
Oh my.
And I don't go with one. I have like 2 more besties. So yeah, we all keep.
So you'll go out with the three. Threesome. Threesome in the restroom.
Threesome in the restroom and then take selfies and all of that.
You marry a non-virgin girl,
Can't judge anyone, so
like
obviously.
you'll be truly in love with a girl, and even she loves the same towards you also, and at last she reveals that she's a non-virgin. She slept with 2 or 3 guys. So do you marry that girl?
Yeah.
No problem for you also.
Can't judge anyone.
Do you marry a non-virgin guy?
She's already married.
You're married.
1 month.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay. No, like I don't need an answer from you. Like, do you marry a non-virgin guy? No problem.
No problem.
My next question is: be truthful. Huh?
I'm being very honest with all the answers.
Yeah, I agree your answers. But first question, I doubt your first answer.
But I'm not so. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway.
Are you virgin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your pimple size increases a little more. Do you have a boyfriend? No, right? Like if you have a boyfriend and if he is a gay, how do you check out that he is a gay, and how do you make sure that he is a gay?
Okay, wouldn't it be kind of obvious he was gay?
He'll be acting strange when he sees some
Maybe
guys
I'll just
and
go talk to him and ask him about it.
directly go and ask. Do nothing other than this. Like you have seen this emotional atyachar and all. Like they'll be keeping some hidden cameras in a room.
No.
Huh? You don't do all those stuffs.
No, maybe talk about some other cute guys you see and see the way he responds, and if he responds the way usually girls talk about guys, then it'll be kind of pretty obvious that he is gay. Yeah, so then you can talk about it.
Well, what's your answer then?
If he's a gay, then he won't be physical with any girl, obviously.
Like you perform that physical act with him.
I will try to if I find him like.
You'll try to.
I will doubt if I doubt that he is
So
a
that
gay.
is
I will try.
that is what you're gonna do. You try going physical with him, and if he doesn't do it, then you make sure that he's a gay.
If I doubt, then I will ask.
Well, I
him.
got your answer. Lip. Okay, what's your answer then?
Boyfriend
would
is there.
investigate.
I'll give you like.
Boyfriend is there.
Huh?
Boyfriend is there.
Boyfriend, What if he's a gay man? How do you check out?
I would surely investigate about it.
How do you investigate? That's what I'm asking you.
spy cameras
Spy cameras. Where do you keep the spy camera?
Into his bedroom or wherever he goes.
You think he'll bring another guy into his bedroom?
Why,
and,
why not?
Wow.
Check the kind of
He has so much of dareness. He has so much of dareness. Come on, you're not a gay.
I'm not a